Today we will compare Asian papao from a supermarket with homemade chicken papao. So let's buy one in the supermarket, open it, put it into the microwave for 30 seconds, check what's inside and taste it. A bit dry, not enough filling, but the taste is good. Let's try to do the same. We will need white flour, dark soy sauce, fish sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, Chinese 5 spices, 2 onions, 1 garlic, active dry yeast and sugar, chicken stock, black pepper, spring onion, ground chicken, water, sunflower oil and butter. First, we need to combine 2.5 teaspoons of yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar with 300 grams of warm water. Cover it and then wait for 5 minutes for the yeast to activate. Mix the yeast powder with the all-purpose flour until a rough dough forms. Mix it thoroughly. Add 2 teaspoons of room temperature butter and continue to knead until the dough becomes really smooth. Cover the dough and let it proof for 1.5 hours. Make the filling. Clean the onion. Dice it. Slice the spring onion. Try to smash the garlic with your hands, once again, and finally use the knife. Clean the garlic and chop it. Add a few tablespoons of oil over medium-low heat. Put everything in the pan until it becomes slightly golden. Add 5 spices to the chicken, black pepper, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, add the fish sauce, plus 2 tablespoons of the dark soy sauce, chicken stock, mix it. Our filling is ready. The dough has doubled in size. Punch the dough to eliminate the air bubbles. Then knead it on the working surface for 6 to 8 minutes until smooth. Roll the dough into a long, even log. Divide the dough into 16 pieces. A bit of flour on the top. Take 1 piece of dough. Roll it out with a rolling pin or just knead it into a circle with your hands. Put some filling in the middle. Pinch the corner to create the first pleat. Use your left hand to help to stretch, fold and pinch the wrapper all the way around the edge until the bun is closed. We got 16 lovely papao buns and they are ready to be boiled. Boil the water, put our buns in the steamer. Let them raise for another 20 minutes or until they increase 1.5 times. As a result, we got the buns, which are less ideal visually than supermarket ones. Let me remind you what kind of filling we have in the buns from supermarket and compare them with our results. It's time to taste it. Juiced chicken with a big bank of taste and flavor in one bite. They are delectable. Subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more videos like this. See you!